In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Vagaro booking page. So in order to edit this, first head over to vagaro.com and you should be able to see in here this part. So this is Vagaro for Business, wherein you can get found, get booked, and get paid. So in order to create an account, first click on the sign up option right here in order to create one. You can do so by adding in here your credentials or your Google account or Apple. Now in here, if you already have an account, you can head over and proceed to log in. Let me show you first what a default web page or booking site looks like. I have in here this business, so head over and click onto this book now, and you should be able to see in here their actual about page. You can select in here the services, consultation, dimensional colors, partial dimensional, and the likes. You can also choose in here the actual date for that, and you can add in here a service if you want to do another one right here, and choose in here the actual services, and you can head over and click on search. Now you can see if it's actually available on their actual website. So as you can see right now, they are booked and the next available date is actually on this next date right here. Now in here, this will show you how it will looks like to have a consultation. We have in here the actual date and time for that, or you can also add the wait list. Now you can also find here all of the services that they actually offer. So if you want to actually edit this part of your booking page, what you can do is you can click on your full actual icon right here. You can head over to the products, packages, and membership as well as your appointments. And from in there, you can actually change your services that you actually offer. You can edit specific services, edit the actual how much that will look like, and in there you can actually change their actual options and choosing here the description and the likes for those. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.